Hey guys, what's up? And today's video is a what I eat in a day. I've really been into these videos recently and I think they're just really fun to film. I actually did one last summer and I don't know how my eating habits have necessarily changed, but I just wanted to do like a more updated one. I don't eat these things every day, but these are just some of my favorite meals. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy. So this day happened to be cloudy, which for me means oatmeal. And I love oatmeal. It has literally been my favorite breakfast. So I like stovetop oats and I cook them with this weird green powder because, I don't know, health, and then some flaxseed, and I also add in some honey. So before I eat anything, I usually take these vitamin gummies. They're really good. I love vitamin gummies. And I also make sure to drink a lot of water. So on top of my oatmeal, I added some melted frozen blueberries, and for some reason they didn't want to come out because it's really hard to do one-handed. Then I also added a bunch of strawberries, and then I put the secret ingredient, which is Trader Joe's yogurt, and it is the best thing. It makes it taste like dessert. So I used about like half of that container, and then I also added some almond butter, which really makes it taste like dessert, and then some more almonds because why not? Ever since quarantine started, I've been having coffee pretty much every day, so this is my usual coffee with oat milk. I just needed to pop in and say that that breakfast is literally the best breakfast ever for me. I usually make it probably like 3 times a week, but I just change up like fruits, whatever we have, and the yogurt, sometimes I just do plain instead of that really sugary one. But yeah, I highly recommend you try that. So for lunch today, I had this soup, which I added some leftover veggies to, and then I also made a salad on the side with chickpeas and tomatoes and cucumbers and avocado, I think. And here's me eating my salad like a dinosaur. And I almost always have an apple at lunch, so that's what I had. So for an afternoon snack, I had a piece of dark chocolate and then half of a snickerdoodle that I made the other day, and also an apricot. Okay, so I usually cook dinner for my family, and today I made this chicken tortilla soup with all of these toppings, and it is one of my favorite dinners ever. And then I always have fruit after as well, so today I had honeydew. So that was everything I ate that day. I just wanted to pop in here and do a little outro. I think that everyone should just eat whatever makes them happy, and that is the most important. I really love eating healthy, but I also love eating desserts, so it's all about balance, you know? I think everyone's different and everyone should just do whatever works for them. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!